Nakaraos na naman tayo. Naka 10 hours tayo ngayon, guys. Salamat at may konti tayong overtime. Nagwa-warm na, guys. Medyo nagwa-warm. Malamig pa rin pero hindi na masyadong malamig na malamig. So, ayan. Ngayon, nakatapos na naman tayo ng ating shift. Akala ko magtatrabaho tayo ng 8 hours. Pero nagbago yung isip. Kaya naging 10 hours. So, meron na naman tayong 2 hours overtime. Like I said, minsan-minsan lang tayo magka-overtime. Kaya pag may opportunity, wag na magreklamo. Grabe na natin agad. No, diba? Meron tayong gas, meron tayong konting pang grocery, o kaya meron tayong pang McDonald's. Saan ka pa? Ano pang hahanapin mo? But today, today magluluto pala ako. Yan. Yeah, ako ang in charge magluto ngayon kasi magluluto na naman tayo ng ibang putahe. Ibang dinner. So, ngayon, itatry natin itong Mexican torta. Yep. Alis na tayo at syempre, magdadrive pa tayo mga ilang minutes pa yun bago tayo makarating sa bahay. Tapos, magpe-prepara pa tayo ng pagkain. Mag-ano pa tayo ng mga ingredients. So, hopefully, before mga 5 o'clock something, ganun, matapos na natin yung dinner. So, let's go.
Nagprepara ko na. I already prepared the torta. FYI, Mexican torta. Not Filipino torta, Mexican torta. First time namin itong gagawin. Kasi nga, ako na-experience ko na to. Natikman ko na to dun sa Mexican store. I like it. And then, sa bahay namin, hindi ko siya tinatry kasi nga, akala ko hindi nila gusto. Tapos, yung bunso ko, si Jason, awak ko sa inyo natikman, pero nagustuhan niya yung Mexican torta. So ngayon, first time namin gagawin itong Mexican torta dito sa aming bahay. Binili ko na yung ingredient. Masusurprise kayo, ibang-iba siya sa Filipino torta. Yung spelling niya parehas lang din, pero Mexican torta is like this. Yan. Yeah. Mexican torta. Si Kuya Yujun, first time niya to, wala siyang idea kung ano yung Mexican torta. I never done it before, like I said. Pero nanood naman ako ng YouTube. Yes, YouTube. Tapos, tinanong ko yung mga Mexican food paano pagluto ng torta nila. Usually, niluluto nila yan dun sa mga restaurant, yung malaking grills. Tapos, doon nila sinasangkot siya. Siyempre, wala tayong grills, kaya ang gagawin natin, mag-i-improvise tayo. Eto guys, so, iron, ano tawag dito? Malaki siyang plate na heavy duty iron plate na tawag nila. Tapos, ilalagay natin siya dito. Yeah. Tapos, hindi ko alam kung magugustuhan ito ni Kuya Nidjo kasi tamad yan. Tamad yan yung uso sa Pilipinas, yung mga Korean style na niluluto yung karne, ganyan. Ayaw niya yun, boring, kakasar. But anyway, hold up. But anyway, today, we're gonna try something different. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, let's try something different. Yung hindi pa ulit-ulit na lang. Filipino food, American food. Ulit-ulit na lang yung paulit na vice versa. So, ngayon, I learned how to cook some of the Korean food. Next time, lulutuin natin yan. Oh, yan. Ipakita ko sa inyo one of my video. I make spam musubi right here. Kung di nyo ba napapanood. Yeah, I made some of that kasi yung pinsan nga pala niya, ni Kuya Nidjo nag-order siya. So, Korean yun. Tapos ngayon, gagawa naman tayo ng mga Mexican food. So, makikita nyo yung video ko, meron din siyang Steak salsa verde. Right here. Hindi nyo pa napapanood, panoorin nyo. Steak salsa verde. Tapos, isa pa doon sa mga Mexican food na paborito namin, steak tacos. Red. Baka hindi nyo pa napapanoorin. Ano ba yung puno? Baka hindi nyo pa napapanood. It's right here. But anyway, ngayon, magta-try tayo ng Mexican torta. Kung halimbawa may manunood sa ating mga Mexican dyan at medyo mali-mali yung aming paggawa. Experiment lang to, so don't judge. Ayan na, parating na sila. Tingnan natin yung reaction nila. Tingnan natin. Did you pick up Jason? I thought he's coming at 5. He didn't text you, he said, remember? No? Oh, alright. Are you ready for our Mexican torta?
Yeah.
What's your expectation? What do you think about Mexican torta?
Okay.
You don't know what? You never heard before?
No.
Okay, so come on, let's see. Church. This is the Mexican torta.
Not done?
No, because we're gonna do it. I thought Jason gonna be home at 5.
No, it's at 5:30, 5 something.
So just you and me?
Yeah, let's go eat.
Okay.
Let's go.
No, we have to do it.
I'm gonna go back yesterday.
Yeah. So that's the one. Okay guys, ganito yung nakita ko sa YouTube. Natatakot ako baka makat ako. By the way guys, hindi na kasama si Jason. Akala ko uwi niya 5 o'clock or 48 na, hindi pa siya tumatawag. Anyway.
Yeah, I have to be going.
Okay. Ganyan. Tapos, let's go use this. Olive oil. You want butter?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead, open them all. Whatever.
Okay. Ganyan siya, guys. Tapos, ganyan. Tapos, itong isa, lalagyan niya ng, what do you call this one? Deep fried. Deep fried. Oh, mali. Yan. Ganyan yung ginawa niya.
Okay, forward more.
Tapos, ilalagay natin itong karne. Is it okay?
Yeah.
This is steak. Okay. Okay. We are trying to experiment. And then,
You put no bacon in there?
yeah. I don't know if this is a good idea, guys. Okay. Oh God, this is not.
What's the forward now? What's the oil?
Okay.
The first stick. What are you forward? That's oil
Oh,
now.
okay. Okay. I don't know. It's olive oil. Oh. More. By the way, yung steak, pwede naman siya kainin. Dati ito na ready na yan.
You want to have it?
Ha? No. I don't think so. Yan. Ito, medium well. How do you know this is a good idea? Yeah. Daddy, you can use this if you want, or the sauce, whatever you want.
What's the point?
Yung ano, I told you, yung ito na,
I think it's all over the onion.
honey, luto na yan. Get your phone. Get your phone.
What's the plastic one?
No, just like this. You don't want the plastic one. Maybe that's good.
You want to open that?
Yeah, and then put everything, Daddy. Put everything. Put the onion. More meat.
Oh, so
3 days enough. It's cooked. All right there.
you know what?
And put, yeah, you should put that. Yeah.
You know what?
This is what we're doing. Yeah, so as much you want. And cilantro. And this one, you don't want that one? I put this all over here. Oh, avocado. You should put avocado. I want this one. What do you think? That's a Mexican torta. It's a sandwich. How's the flavor? It's soft. No, not good.
You got lots of flavor, isn't it?
Lack of flavor. We can add more of that. We can add more of that Mexican. Yeah. My turn to try it.
Now, for you.
Mm. Oh my gosh. Hot.
You got this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know if we did right. Mahirap talaga pag ano. Init.
It's perfect.
Tapos, where's my other side? Oh, I want this. Daddy, why you cover up?
That's the ingredient back one. That's the top one. Let's put it up.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's okay.
The back one.
Yeah, leave it like that. Oh, naan ko na yun.
Yeah.
Sayang wala si Jason.
Good, good.
It's good, but. Dito mo pa rin dati.
Yeah.
Ano mo na lahat?
Guys, salita ako ng salita. Wala pala yung mic sa ano ko. Nasa jacket ko pala. Anyway, on this experience, what do you think about this experience?
Good.
It's good? You're telling the truth? Okay. I think it's a good experience, but me, it's just a mess. Like, makalat siya. Pero kung once in a while mong gagawin, bakit hindi? This is a Mexican torta. I like it. Really easy to make. It's just a little bit messy. Other than that, it's good. Kasi fresh mo siyang kakainin. Saka mas makakamura ka. Gusto ko pa. Parang yung ano.
Here, what's done?
Ito one. Ooh. Isang sandwich pa lang, busog ka na. Oh! Lala. Cucumber. Cucumber, sarap. Naan, Kuya Poy? Sayang guys, wala si Jason. Mamaya, videoan ko na lang siya anong opinion niya. Ano pala, yung anghang pumunta sa lalamunan ko. Nag-ano siya sa high school, anong sports yun? Track. Yung tatakbo sila dun sa field. Yeah. Kasi, gumaganda na yung weather. Yung snow nag-melt. Kaya ngayon, ano na yung mga sport, mga tracking sport. So, palagi siyang sumasali dyan. Daddy, are you done? Oh, you already eat your sandwich. Finally, dumating na rin si Bunso. Yan, kauwi lang niya sa school. Sinopresa ko siya ng Mexican torta kasi sabi niya masarap daw yung Mexican torta. So, first time ko nagluto nito sa bahay. Kaya kung sino man dyan yung mga professional how to make Mexican torta, please don't judge. I just try it for curiosity. But I think overall, masarap siya. Jason, did you try tortas before, the Mexican tortas?
Yeah, at a restaurant.
Now you can tell me what's the difference of homemade Mexican torta.
Well, first of all, at the restaurant, I think they shredded meat.
Yes, that's what I thought. But the one I seen on the YouTube, it's a slice. Now go check on your bread. Maybe it's good. And mix the onion. Yeah, good job, Jason. Look at that sound so tickling. Jason said, "What's that smell in the car?" I said, "That's me."
Turn it up.
I'll turn it up, baby.
It's good, Jason. Press a bite, let's try it. I like it. It's good, but
What?
meat, restaurant win.
Restaurant. Of course, restaurant win. But
Yeah.
it's not bad, the homemade though.
Like you said, the meat's shredded over there. This one's called the crap.
Okay.
That's all. Maybe they could cut it a bit smaller next time. The meat. Yeah, it's too big. Flat bear.
Well, it's good. What do you think, Daddy? It's okay?
That's okay. That's good.
From 1 to 10, Jason.
First
What is
one.
it?
I'll give it about 8.
What?
8.
8?
7.5.
7.5. Why 7.5?
It's a little hard. That's why I'll give 8. Like you said, the meat is this way.
Meat, not shredded.
Uh-huh.
That means it's kind of hard a little bit.
Yeah, it's not shredded.
And the bread,
Thick.
too thick.
Oh.
It's not soft. It's not fresh.
Okay.
I think the restaurant fresh bakes it, the bread.
Oh, I bought that from Lamahor.
Mhm.
Anyway, my husband said 8,
Yeah.
and Jason said 7.5. Si Jason, na-try na niya sa restaurant. Si Mister, hindi niya pa na-try. So, first time niya na-try. Ako, na-try ko na siya. Siyempre, a little bit different compared dun sa restaurant. But, overall, is not bad. So, that's all for now. For Mexican torta. Bye! Say bye, honey.
Bye. I think next time we'll stir the meat a little bit, Jason.
No, we're just gonna use the, the tacos meat.
Yeah. Oh,
No, dude, this meat, you gotta like pound it. You gotta like,
Yeah, like
Oh.
shred it. Just kind of eat small pieces.